Azerbaijan Air Force, fighter jets, helicopters, trainer jets and UAV. Fighter jets. Mikoyan, MiG-29, role, multi-role aircraft, in service, 12. Sukhoi, Su-25, role, attack aircraft, in service, 12. Mikoyan, MiG-21, role, fighter aircraft, in service, 5. Helicopters. Mil, Mi-35, role, attack helicopter, in service, 17. Mil, Mi-17, role, utility helicopter, in service, 65. Kamov, Ka-32, role, utility helicopter, in service, 4. Bell, 412, role, utility helicopter, in service, 2. Trainer jets. Aero L-39, Albatros, role, trainer jet, in service, 12. Pak Super Mushak, role, basic trainer jet, in service, 10. Mil, Mi-2, role, rotorcraft trainer, in service, 7. Unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Bayraktar, TB2, role, attack UAV, in service, unknown numbers. Elbit, Hermes 450, role, surveillance, in service, 12. Elbit, Hermes 900, role, surveillance, in service, 2. IAI, Heron, role, surveillance, in service, 5. IAI, Searcher, role, surveillance, in service, 5. Orbiter, Mini UAV, role, surveillance, in service, 10. Aerostar, Tactical UAS, role, surveillance, in service, 14. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.